You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting phrases and expressions from Latin, many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Non sequitur is how it's said in British English, non sequitur. Now in American English it's often said as non sequitur, or even non sequitur. And now you know, like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching, and more videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.